I wanted to show you how to get a SBOM or software bill of materials for your ActiveState project. An ActiveState project is just a specific version of a language with a specific set of dependencies that you've selected, open source dependencies, which are platform solve and then build, so that you can grab using our CLI tool called the state tool, and that'll run in a virtual environment on your local system. That solves the it works on my machine problem, because that virtual environment, anyone can grab this public projects install and run the state tool with that same runtime environment that you have. So it's a great way to get people up and running fast and collaborative projects. But sometimes for your project, you need a software bill of materials. So in this case, this is all in our public documentation. I go to platform.activestate.com, SV mediator, and I'm going to paste in the instructions from our user documentation. I need to have my organization name and my project name, which you can also copy. The org name is the first part of the URL, project name is the second part of the URL. And if I go to the history tab, I can see all of the different commits that I've made to this project. We don't have any first party proprietary code that you've written. This is all just changes you've made to what open source dependency versions or which ones you have available. So you just grab the commit ID by copying it here, paste that in, hit the play button, boom. Now I know the licenses and the checksum